Hey guys, I'm super excited to announce the winner of the Cozmo giveaway! Now, Anki teamed up with Conflicts to give away a free Cozmo, in which it's been 2 weeks since we posted it, and we had over 300 comments. Literally, I went through every single one of them, and each of them were amazing. Now, as much as I wish I can give every one of you guys a free Cozmo, I'm only allowed to pick one. Now, after a lot of thought and a lot of different thinking, finally picked my winner, and that winner is... AK Signature! That's right, AK Signature. After reading your comment, I have to agree with you. Sharing Cozmo is one of the biggest things you can do, just because it's a great robot and it brings smiles to everyone. Now, to all my other fans, I promise I'll actually have a lot more other giveaways so you guys can win as well. In addition, I'll be sure to go ahead and post a lot more Cozmo videos just so you guys can enjoy it too. Now, if you guys had any questions, feel free to comment down below, and thank you again for watching, and we'll see you guys next time. Take care now. Bye-bye.